Pretty sure every kid in Windsor, Essex did this at least once, where your dad would take you to the river or out in the boat, and he would tie on a white jig and a white twister tail for you. And for some of you, this is where your love of fishing began. Today, I decided to turn back the clock and target these species again, but in my kayak, for those silver bass. I don't even know if this thing will float. It floated last year. Okay. Whoop. Okay, we're in. Let's see if this guy turns on. Turns on and everything. All right. Let's start down there. All right, here we go. First cast. That was terrible. Marking some fish on the graph, I think. No, see, I should have got one by now. With these silvers, I should have got one by now. At least one. Just showing blank. One more cast and then I'm heading upriver. Hello. Different angle. Okay. I need another camera. That's a good spot. All right, we made it to our spot. Not seeing anything on the graph. This might be a dud of a day. If there's nothing here, I'm screwed. Those look like fish for sure. There's one. All right. Not a silver though. Not a silver. I'm not sure where this came from. A little tiny largemouth bass. I don't know. All right. See you, dude. Okay. Well, that's one, but like not the right flavor. Dude, can you imagine fly fishing in here? That'd be stupid. See, I just had this feeling that they're not here yet. I had this feeling that they're not stacked up yet. And they're not. Just like I thought. Got one. Oh, a smallie. I got a smallie. Oh my goodness, what the heck is going on here? I'm going for silvers. I catch a largemouth and a smallmouth. Come on, man. You kidding? All right, come in here, bud. What's a male? Whoa. Come on, easy. Easy does it. Easy does it. There we go. What the heck? See, I'm marking fish, just the wrong flavor, man. Nice little smallmouth. A male too. Look at that red eye. Beautiful. Cool. All right. See you later, bud. And he's out of here too. Oh yeah, I see I'm marking fish. It's just the wrong flavor. So I'm gonna try going down to the tip there and just do a big long drift down this way. See the current break in here? That's where they should be sitting. Let's see if we can mark any on our graph. Although a very nice drop here as well. Went from 9 feet to 11 feet, 12 feet now. Still dropping. Okay, I'm marking something there. I'm marking something right underneath me. You see those two? Oh boy, that was a nice wave. So right at this corner here to see what happens. That wind is whipping me hard. Wow. That wind is nuts. Are you kidding? I mean, these people are here. I mean, they're not exactly catching them hot right now. So, you know, they were so wrong about these winds. Oh my gosh. Luckily for us, it's an east wind. If it was a west wind, oh boy, we would be in trouble. My Lord. They are not here yet. One jumped over there. I don't know if you saw that. This is that wind and the current combined. Wow. Flying. There's one, there's one, there's one. Silver! Yes! We found one! We found a silver! Alright! Hell yeah! Silver, a little one. Mission accomplished! What the heck are we doing? Cool. Maybe there's more in there. Maybe, just maybe. Here we go. See you later. Holy cow. Mission accomplished. We did it. We got one. Damn. Damn. They're not thick by any means in here. But usually when you catch one, you catch a bunch with it. So let's see what happens. One frickin' fish? Come on, man. Come on. One silver. That's it. Just the one silver, I guess. It's not exactly ideal. Nothing. I think we're done. I think we are done. I'm not getting nothing. 5 feet of water is where I caught the stupid thing. So, another weird thing. And I can't keep this thing straight right now. So, that's also fun. Yeah, I should probably start going in. I'm starting to see the dark clouds roll in over there. I'm thinking a big weaselfish logo right here. Cut it in half. Bottom half of the weasel, top half of the weasel. Get rid of that. That'll look sick. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Looks like the rain's starting to come in. We caught one silver today. Just one. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think they're in yet fully. I think they're still upriver a little more. But we did catch a smallmouth and a largemouth. So that's a bonus. I hope you liked the video. I apologize if there wasn't enough fish for you, or big enough fish for you. But the point of the video was to catch a silver, and we did that. I just want to thank you guys for all the support that you guys are giving me, all the subscribers that are flying in, all the likes, all the comments. I really appreciate all your feedback, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the bunch of videos that I am putting out for you guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you next time. See you later.